All right, right now I want to bring in our own weather expert back in meteorologist Megan Perry. Okay, this is not something we talk about every day. In fact, we haven't talked about this since Tropical Storm Hilary back in August.
That's right. So we do not see tornado warnings very often here in San Diego. The last one was with Tropical Storm Hilary in Alpine. Another notable one last year was opening day of the Padres. That one happened in Valley Center. And another one in 2016 in Poway. Damage was reported in Sabre Springs, but a tornado was not confirmed in any of those tornado warnings. But tornadoes have hit here in San Diego. Here's a map of the historical tornadoes. They are EF0s and EF1s. So the most recent confirmed tornadoes, the latest one was in 2019, the foothills north of Campo. That one wasn't even ranked. Meanwhile, in 2006 and 2000 and 1991, we did have a few EF0 and EF1 tornadoes. Those produced minor damage. So why was a tornado warning issued today? On the left, you could see that tiny little rotation, a little bit of a hook that I've kind of pinpointed on the right image there. That was our tornado warning today. And then I'm putting that next to a classic supercell radar signature from an EF5 tornado that hit Moore, Oklahoma. You can see a very well-defined hook. That indicates that there's rotation. On the left, a very, very weak rotation, and that's why a tornado warning was issued today.